today I want to look at Google stock. So we haven't covered this name as much, but today so far 2.8% down. Stock rejected off of its 200-day moving average. This is a daily chart. Every single candle here represents 1 day of price action. So if I bring up moving averages, let me remove these lines that I drew for moving averages. You can see the yellow line on my chart represents 50-day moving average. Red one is 200-day. So we're about to get this pretty much death cross, which is a bearish indicator whenever you are watching, whenever you come across stocks where 50-day moving average crossing from above 200-day moving average. And 3 days ago you can see that 200-day moving average was pretty much acting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days pretty much in a row. It couldn't get back above this level, especially after this big flush move. We had a good strong bounce in overall market. So now basically Google is approaching that support area where it bounced, which is 2490. If we slip below, give or take 2500, if we slip below, we can go to 2400, but for now I'm watching for 2500 as a support, and there's no reason for me to believe that at 25.65 where we are trading this morning so far, that this stock will reverse back up to 2700. So as a resistance, well, this 200-day will act as a resistance. And also if you take a look at the MACD, even though it's not my indicator to solely make a decision based on that indicator alone, but if you look at it, that it has been pretty much diverging, or not like significant divergence, but it was telling you that the momentum has been slowing, especially since November of the last year, basically, even though stock was at all-time highs. So that's the support. These are the two support levels I'm watching, and also I'm watching if we're not gonna see much of a support at 2400. I'm gonna be watching this volume bar profile. So we're let me bring up the, yeah, that looks pretty fine. So if you look at the 2400, we have decent support here. 24 from 2440 all the way till 2360ish. This is the support zone, and if it slips below these levels, we have a support zone right here from 2250 to 2300-ish area. So in case if overall market decides to pretty much dump, these are the levels I would watch for Google. And the split is not happening until July 15th. So they announced that they're gonna split, but it's not happening until summer, if you were wondering about 20-to-1 stock split. So that's the basically update. I'm not going to look at the option activity for Google. Very simple support, resistance, and I do think that it's looking bearish, and momentum is to the downside so far. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.